And welcome into my office and studio room. Today I just wanted to show off this super cool garment rack that VIPEK have sent me for my honest review. It's something that if you don't have a lot of closet space, it's definitely something that will help you out. Also, if you're like me who runs a thrift store, the more garment racks, the better for me. So let's go ahead or if you're a shopaholic, let's go ahead and jump right into getting this built, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how I use it and utilize it in one, personal life, and two, in my business. Okay, so let's go ahead and get building.
I absolutely love this garment rack. It was super easy to assemble from start to finish, as you can see me doing here. Everything is basically a screwed together piece, and then also the clips to secure the shelves in is all you need. You don't need any extra tools, even though they do provide a little Allen wrench that you can help tighten on the casters at the bottom, but I could high and tighten without that perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and build this shelf. It took all in about 10 minutes to get it up and built. I adjusted the camera just so you could see the top, and then even the garment rods were super easy to install along with the accessory hooks. If you had two people, I bet you could even build this faster. I do want to let you know that the dimensions are accurate as listed, 45 inches by 17.7 inches by 80.3. The wheels do have locks on them just in case you wanted to lock them in place, but you also can have them on the wheel settings if you're in more of a warehouse setting. The shelves are completely adjustable as well to accommodate all different types of clothing, whether it's shirts, skirts, pants, or dresses. You could make this rack work. It was super easy to assemble. Either you can do it by yourself, or it would go even faster if you had another individual.
And voila, we have a garment rack that is on wheels. You can lock them or stick them, and now we can add clothes.
I would say filling up the garment rack is actually my favorite part, just because I like to see how much space I can save using it. And also, I love to color coordinate things, so this was super fun to get things organized. It makes my brain really happy. As you can tell, I got some clothes on here, and then I went back for more.
They slide with ease, and honestly, this doubles your closet space instantly. That was super quick and easy to assemble. Thank you so much, VIPEK, for gifting me this storage rack in exchange for this video. Like I said, it was a breeze to put together. I put it together as myself, but if you wanted to put it together with somebody else, you could go even faster. So I would definitely recommend this metal shelf on casters. I think it is a fantastic quality.